Make this ground sacred, make it hollow, so that our healing presence will enable us to fulfill our mission in caring for our veterans and their families. In your most holy divine name we pray for all of our veterans and their family members.
Our first speaker runs one of the largest and busiest healthcare systems in the country, the James A. Haley Veterans Hospital and its clinics. Please welcome Tampa VA's Director, Ms. Kathleen Fogarty.
Good morning, and thank you all for joining us. What a great occasion on the heels of this week, Veterans Day. No greater of a moment than to support our veterans with what is going on behind me. So I'd just like to recognize those veterans in the audience. Will you please stand or raise your hand if you are standing so we can recognize you and your service. Thank you so much. And as I think about what we had on campus on Monday in our parade, over 60 floats did we have this year, that they tell me that that's it, no more. Can't be any bigger. That's what the chief of police says. So maybe we'll figure out a way to move it. But it is a great pleasure that we come today to really talk about primary care annex, which is what is going to be here in 106,000 square feet offering of our primary care services. As you know, every year we treat over 1 million of veterans and active duty servicemen in an outpatient setting. And this setting will really provide that state-of-the-art facility that we're so pleased to have. Included in this 106,000 square feet is a commitment to me and our staff and our leadership to really accentuate the need for women veterans. And so we not only in the 106,000 square feet will have a separate women's health clinic. And if you know nothing other than that is the fastest growing area of veteran care. And it is really an honor and a privilege to really very much focus on women's health and women's needs that are coming from this 106,000 square foot. So we always talk about patient-centered care, and that is what we'll be able to provide here. It means a team-based care, working together with our patients for the whole person. And having served American veterans to honor them is really the 21st century calling for us. And this will be the opportunity for us to build that building to do exactly that. At the end of each day, our true measure of success will be the timeliness, the quality, and the consistency of services and support we provide. We'll be measured with our accomplishments, not our promises, and it is with our veterans that deserve nothing less than outstanding health care. And this is our platform. With Duke Realty, we can't be more honored to have them be our partner. They have come always to the forefront of us with their military liaisons and have really understood our mission, and what a better partnership with understanding our mission and to providing us an outstanding world-class facility to do it in. So thank you very much and welcome, and we're looking forward to your remarks, Mr. Dawson.
Thank you, Mrs. Fogarty. Okay, our next speaker is VP for Development and Government Solutions at Duke Realty, Mr. Jerry Dawson.
Thank you. Our whole Duke team really appreciates everyone coming out to be a part of this groundbreaking. It really symbolizes the beginning of something that we feel will be very, very special and will be a benefit not only to the veterans but to the community as well. I had a whole page of notes to talk about, but someone reminded me brevity is a very good thing. And so I will make sure that I adhere to that. Really, on behalf of Duke Realty Corporation and over 900 associates nationwide, we're very proud to be a part of this team, to be involved with the development and the construction of this project. Today, we break ground on a 106,000 square foot primary care annex, which we know will be a benefit to the veterans in the community and the surrounding counties that it serves. The construction itself will be an infusion into the local economy, with over 75% of the construction dollars going to local businesses, both here in Tampa and in the greater Florida area. So we're very excited about that. It will hire over 40 construction and design firms which will take place and be a part of this, and employ hundreds of workers throughout the term of the project. So we're very excited about that. Upon completion of the facility, though, what we are glad will occur will be to provide a modern and efficient veteran care service platform. It will accommodate the increasing number of veterans. As we've mentioned already, the women's veteran population, which is a growing population, it will help accommodate that increasing number of veterans and will reduce the strain that exists today on the Haley campus. So we're very excited about those benefits. As a veteran myself, however, I think that most importantly, the outcome of this facility and its completion is that will assist the Department of Veterans Affairs in conducting its mission. To be an advocate for the veterans that it serves, to support the families and the caregivers who work with those veterans. And I can't imagine a more important mission of any agency in our federal government these days than doing just that. So again, Duke is very proud to be a part of that. And I think John F. Kennedy once reminded the nation, as we express our gratitude, we must forget that the highest appreciation, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not by the words we utter, but is by living by those words. And we feel that participating in this project, and when this project is completed, it is a fine example of our appreciation and of our gratitude to those who are very deserving, and that's our veterans. So again, on behalf of Duke Realty Corporation and our partners and contractors and designers who are all part of this team, we're very glad and proud to be a part of this, and we look forward to a successful ribbon cutting at the beginning of 2014. Hope to see all of you there at that time. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dawson. Okay, next, the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual turning of the dirt. So I'd like to ask both of our leadership with James A. Haley as well as Duke. We'll take several pictures at this time, so please move to this area.
Okay, now we can do it. Okay, let's go. Who gets the biggest dirt? There you go.
Say who can reach the photographer, right? Another one, one more. All right, good job. One,
right.
2, 3.
See, we got a big hole to put out there.
That wasn't timed too well. Good thing we built them better.
Right.
All right, good job.